Stinging Nettle, in-depth guide to medicinal uses, how to use and grow at home. Welcome to my channel, where I will share information on a plant that might surprise you, stinging nettle. While its name and sharp sting might make you want to keep your distance, stinging nettle is actually one of the most versatile and beneficial plants you can find. Used for centuries in traditional medicine, this humble herb offers a wide range of health benefits, delicious culinary possibilities, and is surprisingly easy to grow at home. Whether you're a home gardener, a health enthusiast, or just curious about herbal remedies, stinging nettle has something to offer everyone. Medical uses of stinging nettle. Stinging nettle, scientifically known as Urtica dioica, has a rich history that dates back to ancient civilizations. The Egyptians used it to treat arthritis and lower back pain, while Roman soldiers rubbed it on their skin to keep warm during cold campaigns. Today, modern research is catching up with these traditional uses, revealing that stinging nettle is packed with anti-inflammatory compounds that can help manage conditions like arthritis and gout. Studies have shown that both topical creams and oral supplements made from stinging nettle can significantly reduce pain and inflammation, sometimes allowing people to lower their doses of conventional pain relievers. But the benefits of stinging nettle don't stop at pain relief. For men, stinging nettle is particularly valuable for supporting prostate health. An enlarged prostate, or benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, affects many men as they age, causing uncomfortable urinary symptoms. Research suggests that stinging nettle may help slow the growth of prostate cells and improve urinary flow, offering relief without the side effects often associated with pharmaceuticals. The roots of the plant are especially noted for their use in treating urinary disorders, while the leaves are more commonly used for allergies and inflammation. Stinging nettle is also gaining attention for its ability to help regulate blood sugar and blood pressure. Several studies have found that stinging nettle can lower blood sugar levels, likely by mimicking the effects of insulin, and may help reduce high blood pressure by acting as a natural diuretic and vasodilator. Another remarkable benefit of stinging nettle is its use as a natural antihistamine. For those who suffer from seasonal allergies, stinging nettle can help block the production of histamine, the chemical responsible for sneezing, runny nose, and itchy eyes. This makes it a popular choice for people seeking natural alternatives to over-the-counter allergy medications. Beyond these uses, stinging nettle is packed with essential nutrients. It's a rich source of vitamins A, C, K, and several B vitamins, as well as minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium, and potassium. Its high protein content for a leafy green, about 2 to 3 grams per 100 grams of leaves, makes it especially valuable for vegetarians and vegans. The plant's antioxidant properties support liver health, protect against oxidative stress, and may even aid in wound and burn healing when applied topically. How to use stinging nettle. If you've ever brushed against stinging nettle in the wild, you know its leaves can deliver a sharp sting. But once the plant is cooked, dried, or processed, it's perfectly safe to eat and use for health benefits. The most popular way to enjoy stinging nettle is by making tea. Simply steep a handful of fresh or dried leaves in hot water for a few minutes, then strain and enjoy. Stinging nettle tea is not only soothing but also a great way to get a daily dose of vitamins and minerals. For topical use, stinging nettle extracts and creams can be applied directly to joints or painful areas to help reduce inflammation and support healing. For those who love cooking, stinging nettle leaves can be used much like spinach. After blanching or steaming to neutralize the sting, they can be added to soups, stews, pasta dishes, quiches, and even green smoothies. Their flavor is often described as a cross between spinach and cucumber, making them a delicious and nutritious addition to many recipes. Stinging nettle pesto is another creative option. Just blend blanched stinging nettle with garlic, nuts, olive oil, and a bit of cheese for a vibrant green sauce that's perfect on pasta or pizza. If you're looking for a healthy snack, try making nettle chips. Toss cleaned leaves with a bit of olive oil and salt, then bake them until crispy for a wild, nutrient-packed alternative to kale chips. Stinging nettle can also be pureed and used in polenta or added to salads and egg dishes for an extra boost of greens. Growing stinging nettle at home. This hardy perennial thrives in a variety of conditions but prefers rich, moist, nitrogen-rich soil and a spot with full sun to partial shade. You can start the plant from seed by sowing them indoors a few weeks before the last frost, or directly in your garden in early spring. The seeds are small, so just press them lightly into the soil and cover with a thin layer. They need some light to germinate. Keep the soil moist, and you should see sprouts within about 2 weeks. If you already have stinging nettles growing nearby, you can propagate them by dividing the roots in early spring and planting the pieces where you want them to grow. Always wear gloves and protective clothing when handling stinging nettle to avoid the sting. Once established, nettles require minimal care. Just keep them well watered and consider deadheading spent flowers to prevent unwanted spreading. With a little attention, you'll have a steady supply of this versatile plant for both culinary and medicinal uses. Stinging nettle is truly a hidden gem in the world of natural remedies and home gardening. From its powerful anti-inflammatory and allergy-fighting properties to its versatility in the kitchen and ease of cultivation, this plant offers something for everyone. Whether you're sipping a warm cup of stinging nettle tea, adding it to your favorite dishes, or growing in your garden, stinging nettle is a valuable addition to any wellness routine. Thanks for joining us today as we explored the many uses and benefits of this remarkable herb. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own nettle experiences in the comments below.